Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be looking over the cryptocurrency market. You can see that we are above a $2.5 trillion market cap. That's the cryptocurrency market as a whole, and the market cap of Bitcoin is 1.3 trillion. When we have things like gold that are 10 trillion plus, you have companies like Microsoft at $3 trillion valuation. You see Nvidia as well, been going crazy. But we are super bullish on the crypto markets. This is definitely the time people are looking to get involved. We have the Bitcoin halving that's going to happen sometime April 19th, 2024. Um, and that's going to be a huge reason for why we are seeing so much money flow into the ecosystem right now. You can really see everything over the last 7 days has really gone crazy. And the crypto market's about to start when meme coins start going crazy. So we have Pepe coin here, we have Floki, Shiba Inu, and one of the biggest come ups, I would say, is DogeWithHat. This is on the Solana chain. It's been on our radar for a really long time. Now we see it doing crazy gains, and this is just over the last 7 days. I like to use CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. I download the apps on my phone and I always keep track of them. Um, the One of the first layer protocols that have been going absolutely crazy is Solana. It's at 147. We did have a long position on Solana, um, but Solana, I could easily see it going up to 250. But we did have this huge crash here because Solana was just ripping all by itself. It went all the way up to 120. Then we had that huge downward trend, right? Like I think it was like January, right before we went on the huge the long way up. You can see right here. You can see right here. You can see right here. Everything was going up, then it crashed. That's what tends to happen before the Bitcoin halving. You start to shake out all the weak hands, and then people start to put their money in, especially institutional money, because of the ETF and a lot of different streams of revenue and ways for people to invest without getting a DEX or a SEX. They can now make it a part of their IRA. So that is definitely giving a lot more exposure to cryptocurrency. I'm a big believer in ETH. I'm a big believer in Solana. I'm a big believer in Bitcoin. Those are my top three. Safe, conservative, can hold for a long time. Solana has been going absolutely insane, and so is Ethereum. Bitcoin always seems to tick first. Ethereum seems to follow there on after. And Solana, ever since the Sam Bankman-Fried narrative and its connection to Solana kind of disassociated, Solana has been on the come up, and it did pass BNB in market cap, and I suspect it will pass BNB in market cap in the upcoming weeks and months, because the adoption in the community on Solana is probably the most, it's up there. It's really about the community. Any one of these first layer protocols can really do the job. You'll see Avalanche. Avalanche is a great first layer protocol. Um, you don't hear much from Polkadot, but you finally see Polkadot on the upward trend. That's Dr. Gavin. He was one of the co-founders of Ethereum. So Polkadot is a great first layer protocol. It's actually a zero layer protocol. It's all about trustless processes and being able to build on top of each other. That's what Dr. Gavin Wood believes in. Um, to Yeah, so we're definitely hoping to see Dot go a long way from $10.39, because during the last bull run, Dot was easily at $30 plus. So you can easily see a 3x out of Polkadot coming up. Even in the last bull run, Solana is at 250. So you can easily see it go up to 250. This is just the start of the bull run. Even though it seems like euphoric gains and you see leading the way is clearly, these meme coins, Shiba Inu 139. If you can see DogeWithHat, like we mentioned, even in the AI category, the number one crypto in the AI category is meme AI. So you can honestly look by category, you know. If you look by category, you can see what's the best performing meme token. Solana up 1,708%, market cap 19 million, and it's on the Solana chain. That makes sense. Solana, it's a meme coin. These tend to pop during this time. Um, come rocket, come these. I actually still have this in my trust wallet from the last bull run. There are a few shit coins that we kept in our wallet, just holding the bag. We made a lot of money off them, but these aren't long-term holds. These are things that go with the narrative and the trends and the hype. And you can definitely monetize off it if you get in at the right time. We see Mob Coin going absolutely crazy with the Vipers, Pepe, people have been talking about. We have the cat token, Toshi. And why am I talking about meme coins? Why am I talking about coins that innately have no intrinsic value outside of community and just being memes? And that's because it's easy to get behind. It, it, the thing is, I was talking to my friend, and like some teams are trying to build a lot on meme coins, and honestly, it's not the ones that build a lot on the meme coins that have the highest market caps. It's the one that have a community and continue to meme, and that's just what it is. Um, Love it or hate it, it's going to be around. It's always been around, and it's just part of the cryptocurrency. Uh, you know, the average investor who wants to invest likes investing in things that are simple and easy to get behind. Um, but yeah, if you guys are looking for like really degenerate plays, there's stuff like Bird Eye. This is a coin we were looking at before $5 million market cap. And these are really risky tokens, but you can see the community sentiment. You will see a lot of volatility with these types of tokens. But at the end of the day, you can use apps like Bird Eye to see what's trending. You can see things going up a huge amount, and you have to understand, like we have DogeWithHat, like here's BabyDogeWithHat. Let's see what the sentiment is here. It has a 93% sentiment. It has a $8 million market cap, and it would be a, baby with hat. Kind of makes sense, but it is down 30% over the last 30 minutes, but it's up 80% over the last 8 hours. This is one of those where you're not sure what it's going to do. A lot of these can fluctuate from 5 to 25 million all the way back down to 5. People get in and they get out, but if the community is strong enough, sometimes they rip. Baby with hat, we should probably keep that on our radar, just seeing what DogeWithHat did. DogeWithHat has been going absolutely insane. If you look at the last 30 days, it's up 792%. And this is a meme coin on the Solana chain. And it's one that caught up with Bonk, which was the first meme coin to really bring more attraction to Solana. So boom, we have Bonk right here down a little bit, but it's ranked 65th, and DogeWithHat is 69. I expect DogeWithHat to take over the Bonk position as the top meme coin in on Solana. But we should probably keep our eyes out for dog baby with baby with BabyDogeWithHat. So um yeah, guys, this was just really for us to really go over the cryptocurrency market. You can really break it down by category, like Dex Check, for example. Shout out to one of my associates. He named out Dex Check, and it's actually a great protocol. Up a lot. You can invest in stuff that makes sense. that have actual use cases. And DexCheck is definitely one of those protocols, because with DexCheck AI, um, wow. So they've changed their entire website since the last time I checked for them. But a revolutionary platform powering crypto NFT trading success with AI-driven blockchain intelligence. So they're pretty much ensuring like you don't lose your stuff, you know, you don't get hacked, and that's really their whole use case. This one has definitely been on the come up. It definitely has a revenue stream as well, and a token they're utilizing. So there's AI platforms, AI tokens that you can really get behind. And when you look at like the teams they have, from Polygon Labs, from Chain GPT, you have Engine Starter. They have a really strong team. They're trusted. They're on a bunch of exchanges. So DexCheck, I wanted to mention that because it said it was trending. Plus, one of my associates named this a while back, and the market cap has definitely risen since then. It was only a $5 million market cap when he mentioned it to me. So, but it's really hard to go wrong in the cryptocurrency market when everything is just so high, right? You know, you do see things that are down, but at the end of the day, you can really choose your risk tolerance. You know, if you don't want to take risks, stay in Bitcoin, stay in ETH, and that's a great way to be. You're going to make money. You know, all the people that bought during the bull run, 56, 60 grand uh Bitcoin, they're all waking up and happy again. So like even the people that were down are now up again. So it never hurts to continue to dollar cost average. If you're going to actually actively daily invest, definitely take profits. That's something I recommend. Um, but yeah, you can see everything is green. You can't really go wrong. You have to really, really just be not paying attention to really like do poorly at this current time. There's always a euphoric time. This is the euphoric time. Don't be the person chasing green either. You know, you can lose a lot by chasing green. For example, if you're leverage trading and don't know what you're doing, it could be horrible. But if you're leverage trading and you got in like right here and you're riding all the way up and you take your profits throughout the bull run, then you could make a lot of money. But that's not for the weak. People have to be mentally and emotionally strong when they're leverage trading. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, those are going to be money. Obviously, we still hold Cardano from pre like 2016. It's been so long we've had Cardano. Um, but you know, not that I'm a huge fan of Cardano anymore. But you know, their community is cult-like. Avalanche is great. Polkadot is great. Polygon is great. One that is definitely on the come up is Injective. I mean, Stellar Lumens will always follow Ripple, so we'll see what happens with that. VeChain is supply chain. We have a little bit of VeChain. Um, can't go wrong with meme coins. We have a little bit of Algorand. We have a little bit of Psy. I really love their community, their memeability. They're one of the fastest chains as well. Um, so multiverse. This was Elron EGLD, the first layer protocol. You know, just crazy. DogeWithHat's going to surpass the market cap of Elron. You know, if you told me that 2 years ago, I wouldn't have believed you. You know, we have Axie Infinity. One thing that we made a huge come up on, if you guys have been watching till now, appreciate your time. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to continue to just, you know, gain some information about the crypto market. You know, you can go wherever you want, wherever you feel comfortable, whoever you can tolerate listening to for a while. But at the end of the day, you have to really get into the nitty-gritty if you're investing a lot of your money, because you don't want to be caught holding the bag, but you do want to get those juicy 10x's, 20x's. One coin Jupiter, they did an airdrop for people, you know, similar to what Uniswap did. PancakeSwap is one of the biggest exchanges built on BNB. You can see it's doing great right now. For people who got airdrop ENS, we got Ethereum name service 15% up. You know, you even see Luna up, and we already know everything about Luna, right? So it was crazy. Superverse, Elio Trades project, absolutely doing excellent. I really respect him as a YouTuber. I think he has a lot of good information. And I'm really looking for Portal Coin here. I don't know where it's at, but Portal Coin was one of the largest. It was the largest Web3 pre-sale here at 188. I was almost there. It's sitting at $2.23. The pre-sale was at 15 cents, you know. We put a minuscule amount and did over a 15x, you know. Sold what we could claim, and then we also got more by owning Creepz, the NFT. We sold one of the two Creepz at 5.5 ETH while it was on the come up. And then we held the other Creep just for exposure. So I have like 6 grand in in Portal on my Creeps that's vested over 9 months, but I sold this at the top right up here. I sold it for 5.5 ETH, my gray Creep. And yeah, that was crazy when I saw the yellow Creep that has about 5,800 Portal on it. So I really like what they're doing with Portal. You know, I wish I could sell my Portal and realize some gains, but the way they've done it, I do believe that with their fully diluted market where it's here at 2.2 million, 2 billion, I'm sorry, $2.24 billion, fully diluted valuation, and its market cap is only a fraction of that. If we look at gaming ecosystems like Axie Infinity, you'll see its fully diluted market is 2.9, but its market cap is way higher. So I expect to see about a 5x out of Portal, you know, because I expect Axie Infinity to go higher. If you look at Axie Infinity's highest point, it was at 150. So that's a huge ways up from where they are now. So if it does anything close to what it did in the last bull run, you could see at least a 5x from Portal, you know. So definitely want to keep on your radar. Definitely one I wanted to talk about because I have a lot of exposure to it. But yeah, I think that's all for today, guys. We talked about a lot of tokens. We weren't just focused on one, but the bull run has definitely begun, and the halving is coming. So I do suspect we're going to have a very euphoric moment here, and who knows how long it will last. But the earlier you're involved, the more you get to see those gains. But the longer you wait, you know, the riskier it gets, because now you're just chasing green. But you know, this, from what I can see, we're far away from a lot of these uh tokens hitting their last bull runs all-time high. So I think it's a great time to get involved. But guys, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time, except your money. So I'll see you next time.